The Massey GC1700 series tractors can be equipped in a tractor, loader, backhoe configuration. This configuration can accomplish many hardworking jobs. For jobs requiring trailed or mounted implements, the backhoe needs to be removed. In this video, you will learn how to remove and install the backhoe on the Massey GC1700 series tractors. First, park the tractor on a hard, level surface. Remove the boom and stabilizer lock pins. Lower the stabilizers until they touch the ground. Lower the boom until the bucket touches the ground. Remove the mounting pins from each side of the backhoe subframe. Extend the stabilizer cylinders to raise the backhoe off the tractor subframe. Turn off the tractor and remove the key. Disconnect the hydraulic couplings. Be sure to install the dust caps. Connect the blue pressure hose to the blue return hose. Install the dust cap on the red sump hose. You're now ready to slowly drive away. Now that the backhoe is removed, trailed and rear-mounted implements can be utilized further, adding to this tractor's versatility. This will also make the tractor more nimble in tight, low-clearance conditions while operating the loader. Slowly back up, aligning the tractor subframe to the backhoe subframe. Set the park brake, turn the tractor off, and remove the key. Disconnect the pressure and return hoses on the rear of the tractor. Connect the color-coded tractor and backhoe hydraulic lines. Restart the tractor to provide hydraulic flow to the backhoe. Lower the backhoe onto the tractor subframe by retracting the stabilizer cylinders. Install the mounting pins. Raise the stabilizers and boom all the way up. You're now all set. Massey GC1700 series tractors are one of the most versatile compact tractors on the market. Coupled with the backhoe, these tractors are ready to dig deeper and help you get even the toughest jobs done.